What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on ADA because the conditions for opening a long position that I mentioned in the last video were not met, but right now I'm watching here another interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. So if you're interested about my exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now I'm watching here two important things. The first thing is this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.612 and 0.559, and the second important thing is actually the area below this previous lows. You can see that with this 1-hour candle we took the liquidity under all of these important lows, so there were many realized stop losses, but the biggest problem is that we didn't test this bullish order block. So right now we have actually like here two opportunities to open here a long trade. The first one is opened a long position right now because, as I said, we took important liquidity under all of these previous lows. So from a risk perspective, it would make perfect sense that this coin will continue go up. So if you, for example, want to create some long position on this coin, so me personally, I would definitely like open some trading position right now on this level. But the biggest problem with this position is that you need to place your stop loss under this bullish order block. So the potential risk reward ratio, if you will, for example, speculate to this bearish order block, is 1.6, which is actually not that great. So in my opinion, the best idea that you can do is to open, let's say, for some part in this area, and then wait for a liquidity grab under this bearish order block to open a new trade. So if you will, for example, open a long position right now, and then you will wait for a liquidity grab and then for a pullback up again and then support confirmation in this bullish order block, and here you will open another long position with a stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out, it will be, in my opinion, really good setup. And if there won't be that support confirmation and there will be just a breakdown, then yeah, you will take that stop loss that will be having around like 4.3 to, let's say, 6%. The potential take profit targets you can, in my opinion, put on really high levels, but definitely some of the profits take under this bearish order block, which is between level 0.669 and 0.661. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So let's say the average entry price will be, let's say, somewhere around here. Stop loss you will place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's say, for example, something like this. And your last take profit target, well, in my opinion, you can put it, let's say, under this previous high, which will give you a risk reward ratio 8.4. As I said, some of the profits definitely take under this bearish order block, then you can move your stop loss to entry or to a profit, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Then definitely some of the profits you can take under this bearish order block, which is between level 0.771 and 0.763, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 8.4, the risk reward ratio can be, let's say, around 6.2, 6.3, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this potential trading setup. Before this video continues, I just want to share with you my actual stats from my trading account, because nowadays there are a lot of people who are doing this trading educational content, but those people are usually not profitable traders, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So right now you can see my actual stats from my copy trading account. You can see how many trades I taken, what's my win rate, what's my ROI, etc. And if you, for example, want to learn how to trade, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can simply DM me on my Discord and we will definitely figure something out. And also I want to add that you can verify this data publicly, because this is my copy trading account on a Bluffin exchange, and you can simply find my trading account there, and yeah, you can verify these data. And if you, for example, want to know about other potential opportunities on the higher time frame, let's now switch to a 12-hour chart. Here I am still watching this bearish order block, which is between level 0.481 and 0.465. So if we are gonna test this area, there will be a liquidity grab and then support confirmation. Then I think that this can be another absolutely insane opportunity to open here a long trade. Stop loss, again, you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's say the market will do here something like this. And your last take profit target, you can place under the current week high, which is on the level 0.8104. The potential risk reward ratio with this trade will be around 13.02, which is in my opinion absolutely insane. But again, in this case, take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits definitely take somewhere in this area, then under all of these like important lows, then for example under this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 9.5, maybe 10, which is in my opinion really good. So yeah, that's another potential setup that you can be watching on this coin. The important thing that I want to explain here is that for every trade that you are taking, you need to have your stop loss. So before you are entering any of your trades, you need to exactly know how much you are willing to lose. Because yeah, I am like planning to create some long position right now on Cardano, and I'm planning to manage the position exactly as I said. But if there will be that breakdown resistance confirmation, then I'm simply like exiting this position with a loss, because there is nothing like 100 success rate in trading. In this video, I probably showed you my, for example, trading results from my copy trading account, and right now you can see that my win rate is around like 87%, which means that even I am not having like 100% success rate. But as I said in this video, I think that this is definitely a tradable setup, because if we take a look on the higher time frame, this coin is in the long time perspective in the uptrend. So every time there is a drop like this, for example, around like 22-25%, then I think that we can use it to our advantage to open here some trading positions with really good risk reward ratio. Another important thing that I want to say is, do not open a long position just because I said so. Every time do your own analysis, and if this position is not making any sense, just do not open it, because I, for example, don't want to read a comments in which you will be complaining that this trade end up in a loss, because yeah, we are aiming here for positive risk reward ratio. So with this trading setup, I'm counting with like 60-70% success rate, and also you don't know how exactly I'm gonna manage that position, because the market structure, the market condition can change, and I can be, for example, closing this position on a break even. So yeah, that's why you always need to count on yourself. Or for example, copy trades exactly. So if you want to help with that, I have my copy trading account that I'm sharing publicly. So if you want to copy my exact trades, just DM me on Discord, because in that way you will be able to copy 100% things that I'm doing. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. This will be all from me for today. If you want to know about my analysis, about my trades as soon as possible, I highly recommend you to join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.